In this segment of this video, we will see features in Microsoft Outlook. So let me share my screen. And here you can see we have Home tab. Under Home tab, you can see new emails. It means that you can create new emails from here. You can create a storyline, document, spreadsheet, presentation. That is what you can do using this button. After that, you can see we have delete button, then archive button. You want to just archive an email, you can archive, either you can delete, then you can report uh, phishing, you can report a junk email, you can sweep, you can move to a folder, reply all, forward, and move to a folder. So for example, if you will select a particular email and you can see all these options are on, it means that you can take all these actions on this particular email. So for example, if you want to delete this email, you can do using two buttons. One, from this, you can click here. Either you can ignore, either you can delete. You can also delete from here. Then you can see you can archive this email or you can report it a phishing email or junk email. Then you can sweep. It means that you can click here and then you can move to a particular folder. For example, move message from the inbox folder and any future message. It means that the from email for this particular email, if you will take this action, will be deleted every time when you will receive email from this email ID. So that is what you can do, and this is especially good when a case like you are getting a junk email from a particular email address and you want to delete automatically whenever you are receiving from that particular email. In that case, what you can do is you can select and then you can sweep it. After that, you can see have a move to a folder, so you can move to a particular folder. Then you can reply to this email, reply all and forward. This is common feature in every inbox. You can use that. I'm not going to explain that because that is very common and everybody is using that feature. Then you can see you can move to a particular folder and you can also manage this step. So once you will take this step will be followed every time whenever you will receive an email from this person. Then you can mark add read unread. For example, you can make it unread, then you can make it read unread. That is what you can change from here. You can also categorize this email. For example, you are getting email from multiple uh, vendors or suppliers or from your client, so you can create here multiple labels and that is what you can add to a particular email. So whenever you are coming to your inbox, you will easily know that what email is from which category and you want to take action or not. Then you can also flag it important. For example, you can just flag it, so you can see a important flag here. Again, you can uncheck, so it will be unflagged. Then you want to pin it, you can pin and you can always see this message on the top. For example, you are getting an important email and that is what you want to get reminded for a month, so you can pin it for a month and it will be here for a month. Again, you will unpin and it will go in your inbox. So that is how you can highlight a particular email. You want that this message should be appear in front of you at a particular time, and that is what you can. For example, I can select this email and then I will go here and I will click on 18. You can see this is disappeared, but at 6 p.m. it will appear in my inbox. So that time I can give importance to this email, and that is how you can make this email on priority at a particular time. So after that, you can see we have blog. You want to block this sender, you can block from here. You can create rules and also you can respond with a meeting. For example, you want to invite this person to a meeting. You will click here and it will send a meeting invitation to that particular person. You can see like the same email added here and we are going to create a meeting invitation for this particular email. So all these features are available. Apart from that, you can see here we have either you can mark as read, you can also mark as flag, or you can pin it. So all these options are available in your inbox. That is what you can use to organize your messages. In next video, we will see what are the advanced features available to organize your inbox in a better way.